Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about TCS BPS hiring. But before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. As we upload videos on daily basis for job recruitment and preparation, so if you are a job seeker and searching for a job, then this will definitely gonna help you and this will lead you in your first job. So please like, share and subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobker. Okay, so uh, this video is about TCS BPS hiring, and TCS is hiring for 2020, 2021 and 2022 batch from art, commerce and science graduates to apply in TCS BPS hiring. Okay, the registration status for this opening is open. Test date will be announced, and after clearing the test, you will be receive your interview date. Okay, so you can apply with the CT or DT ID. We will see that how to apply and all these things. Okay, so TCS has curated exclusive opportunity for art, commerce and science graduates from the 2020, 2021, 2022 year of passing to apply for exciting careers and make the big move. So all the art, commerce and science graduates are eligible, and exceptional performer will be part of TCS fastest growing unit, that is cognitive business operations CBO and banking and financial service and insurance BFSI and life science in various enriching roles that amplify their career growth. Okay, so if you get selected in this hiring, then you will be the part of CBO, BFSI or life science units. Okay, now this is the application process, but we will first see the eligibility criteria. Okay, so the highest qualification they require are candidates should have completed the course in this stipulated course duration, no extended duration. Okay, so like if you have done 3 year graduation, then should be completed in 3 years. There should be no extension or to that. Okay, that means you should not have any backlog that get extended to like 6 months or 1 year. Okay, now backlog arrears or ATKT. So candidates should have no active backlogs at the time of appearing for the test. Backlogs to be cleared within the stipulated time duration. Okay, so if you have any backlog before applying to the job, you should first clear that. Okay, now gap or break in education. So it is mandatory to declare gaps in education if any, and overall academic gaps should not exceed 24 months until highest qualification relevant document proof as applicable, and we will checked for gaps in education. Okay, so if you have any gap, then you should declare that, and there are 2 years of gap is allowed. Okay, now course type. So only full-time courses will be considered. No part-time or correspondence courses will considered. And however, if you have completed your secondary and higher senior secondary course from NIOS, that is National Institute of Open Schooling, then you will be considered. Okay, so you need to keep in mind that. Okay, now work experience, if I talk about, so candidate should meet the specified age criteria. Sorry, candidate with prior work experience or up to 3 months are eligible to apply for the TCS BPS hiring. So if you are working somewhere and you should have only 3 months experience, the experience should not exceed 3 months. Okay, now age. So candidate should meet the specified age criteria at the time of TCS selection process, and minimum age is 18 years and maximum age is 28 years. Okay, so you should not be less than 18 or greater than 28 years old. Okay, now course and discipline which are eligible are only full-time arts, commerce, science graduates from BCom, BA, BAF, BBI, BBA, BBMS, BBM, BMS, BSc in IT, CS or Journal, then BCA, BCS, and B Pharma and M Pharma will be considered for year of passing 2022, 2021, and 2020 batch. Okay. Now, from any recognized university or college, part-time or corresponding course will not be considered. Okay, so these all are the degrees who are eligible to apply for this job. So this is a great opportunity for all you guys who have pursued this degree. Okay, now let's talk about the registration process. So this is the application steps. Okay, now if you have registered and complete the application from TCS next step portal, a status of your application should be application received. Okay, keep your CT or DT ID handy and update the same in the link provided in step 2. Okay, so if you have your CT or DT ID, that is if you have registered on the TCS page, then you should have your CT or DT ID. If you don't have, then you need to create it. Okay, now the scenario one, that you already have CT DT ID, that means you are already registered on the next step portal. So you need to click here, the link is here, so you need to click here and complete your application. And if you are a new user, you have not registered with TCS next step portal, then you need to click here and click on the register now button and select category as BPS and proceed to fill your details, then submit your application. Okay, now as the final step, click here to apply for TCS BPS hiring. This is mandatory step. So for you done this step, then you need to click here to apply for TCS BPS hiring, and multiple entries from a single candidate will lead to disqualification. So you need to apply for a single time only. Okay. Now for a step-by-step guide to register and complete application form on the next step portal, click here. Okay, so if you get stuck at any point, then you need to click here and you will get the step-by-step process, so your route will be clear. Okay, and click here to take the mock test and prepare better for TCS BPS hiring test. Okay, so if you want to take a mock test, then you need to click here and your test will begin and you can give the mock, so you will be able to check that what type of questions will be asked, okay, in the cognitive assessment. Okay, now there are some important notes given, so you must have all the original academic documents as applicable till 4th or 5th semester mark sheet, and communication related to test will be shared with you on your registered email ID from TCS ION, and TCS does not send job offers any hiring related communication from unofficial email IDs like Gmail, Rediff Mail or Hotmail like these. TCS does not ask candidate to deposit any money for jobs, and TCS is not associated with any external agency company to conduct the interviews or make offer to employment on its behalf. So you need to keep in mind that. And if you need any assistance, then you can you can mail their support email, so that is tcsbps.support@tcs.com, or you can call this help desk number. Okay, now this is all about the job. So if you are eligible and want to apply for this job, then the link will be in the description box. You can go and apply for this, right? This is a really good opportunity, so apply as soon as possible, all the eligible candidates. Okay, now let's talk about the test pattern. So TCS ION is the best provider for TCS BPS hiring process. The test duration will be 65 minutes, and there will be three sections. One is for numerical ability. There will be 26 question asked and you will be given 20 minutes. Then verbal ability, and 24 question will be asked and you will be given 20 minutes. And reasoning ability, you will be asked 30 questions and there will be 25 minutes. Okay, so all over questions will be 80 and you will be given 65 minutes of time. Okay, and there will be sectional timing, maybe, so you need to keep in mind that. Okay, so that you need to prepare these three sections and just be prepared and crack this hiring. Okay, so this is all for today's video guide. If you like the video and so you do like the video, and hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.